Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to create a public story on Snapchat, updated. Open Snapchat, tap the camera, then swipe to Stories and select Create Public Story. Choose a clear title, pick who can contribute, and optionally set a geofence to limit views. Add snaps or videos, review your story, then post. I'll guide you through tips to keep your content safe and engaging while gaining more viewers. Start by opening your profile and selecting New Story, then choose Create Public Story from the options. Add individual snaps or videos, write a concise title, and decide whether friends can add to it. Double-check privacy options like who can view or contribute before you hit post. After publishing, monitor responses and remove any snaps if needed. I'll also share neat tricks to make your public story stand out and stay secure. When crafting a public story, choose a clear title and relevant tags to attract the right audience. Never include sensitive personal information, exact addresses, or private details that could compromise safety. Limit contributors or vet friends before allowing additions, and delete any snaps that don't fit your message. Use short clips, captions, and simple edits to keep viewers engaged. These small habits help you grow an audience while protecting your privacy and reputation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.